This is not a motivational talk. This is not training. And this is not advice from above. ये एक इंडस्ट्री कन्वर्सेशन है ब्रोकर से ब्रोकर के बीच में. Every year, thousands of people enter real estate broking and most of them exit within 12 months. Not because they are lazy, not because they are incapable, but because they misunderstand what this profession really demands. I want to share some ground realities. No judgment, no preaching, just sharing some learning here. Here is one uncomfortable truth. Most brokers don't fail due to lack of opportunity. They fail due to lack of structure. The biggest misconception is this: broking is flexible. I will figure it out as I go. Flexibility without discipline becomes confusion. Broking is not a side hustle. It is not a quick money profession. It is definitely not an extension of sales instinct alone. ये प्रोफेशन पेशेंस मांगता है, प्रोसेस मांगता है, and emotional stability भी. Nobody tells you this on day one, and that silence cost people their first year. My observation number one: most new brokers confuse activity with progress. कॉल्स हो रही हैं, साइट विजिट्स हो रहे हैं, मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं, बट नथिंग इज बीइंग ट्रैक्ड, नथिंग इज बीइंग रिव्यूड, नथिंग इज बीइंग इम्प्रूव्ड. Without structure, effort leaks. Observation number two: many brokers enter the business thinking clients come first. That sounds noble, no doubt, but it is incomplete. Profession comes before clients. A broker who has no system, no documentation, no follow-up discipline cannot protect the client or himself. ये एक hard truth है. Good intentions do not replace professional behavior. Observation number three: most brokers avoid the hardest part of this profession, waiting. They want quick validation, quick closure, quick income, but real broking is delayed gratification. This profession is not for everyone, and accepting that early is healthier than struggling silently for years. One costly mistake I see repeatedly: brokers try to look successful before they become professional. Branding before basics, visibility before credibility. That imbalance collapses under pressure always. This applies to brokers who entered the industry without guidance, to those who are hardworking but feel stuck or exhausted, to people who genuinely want to build a long-term professional career. This does not apply to hobby brokers. If you see this profession as temporary, casual, or purely opportunistic, then these realities may not matter. No judgment, different people choose different paths. But serious professions demand serious alignment. Real estate broking is a profession of time. Time to learn, time to fail safely, time to mature. Those who survive the first year don't do it by chasing everything. They do it by building quietly, professionally. If this reflection made you pause and think, that is enough for today. Thanks for listening.